Hello everyone, my name is Aysen. I'm a khomus player, and today I will teach you how to play khomus in Yakut style. And before that, I will tell you the structure of the jaw harp. This part we call ring, and these strings we call cheeks. And this part is tongue, and the tip of the tongue we call chicha or bird, and here we have knee. Let's start playing. Uh, Hold your left palm forward, pressing the ring to your palm between index finger and thumb. And place the thumb under the ring and index finger on top, and collect the three fingers, but don't forget your finger should interfere the tongue of the jaw harp. Then press khomus to your teeth like this. We have golden rule, we don't need bite. Open your mouth slightly to allow the tongue of the jaw harp to move freely. Find the correct position. The tip of the tongue should be slightly to the right of the center of our face. Here, our center of our face, and tip should be here. And we hold the instrument firmly with our lips, like this, not like this. And our teeth shouldn't interfere with the tongue of khomus. We can check it by moving with fingers of our right hand, like this. If the tongue moves freely, you're doing everything correctly. The Yakut style of playing the khomus differs from other national styles. We hit the tongue of the khomus with our second knuckle of index finger of our hand straight ahead like this. We use only our palm, not whole arm or shoulder or finger, only like this, straight ahead. And with our hand we create rhythm, and first rhythm at the beginning will be 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3, like pam 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 pam. And our first sound will be E letter. Khomus is an intricacies instrument, so when we change the position of our lips, tongue, or vocal cords, the sound of the instrument changes. Keep your mouth position as in letter E and begin to play. Congratulations, you have now learned how to make a sound on the khomus. Thank you everyone, and see you in next lessons.